Didn't you hear what he said?
No matter what he says to you, you shouldn't slap him. Go in and apologize to him, please. I'm late for work. Mom, go in there and apologize to my dad.
Excuse you? Are you ordering me?
I'm not ordering you, but you did something very wrong. Go in and apologize to him for slapping him in my presence. I mean, you can fight with him anywhere, but not in my presence.
Well, your lady, I will not do it.
You will do it. Go in and apologize to Dad.
Sonia, I don't want to hurt you.
You're not leaving this place
I do
unless
not want to hurt you. Get out of my way.
Why are you disrespecting your mother?
Dad! Dad!
Look, allow her to go to work. Good morning, my angel. I'll be waiting for you in the car, okay?
Aren't you going to have your breakfast?
No, I'll have that in the office.
Okay then, since you're so sure that you don't want to eat, I'll just leave you. I'll be in the car in 2 minutes max, okay? See ya.
Fred!
Oh, happy birthday, Mommy. I wish you long life and prosperity.
So you want to leave without answering me?
Can we talk about this at the office?
No. Fred, we will talk about it now. Today is my birthday, and you haven't given me any gifts, and you want us to talk about it when you get back from work? Who does that?
I already told you that my business will be okay. We have other years to celebrate your birthday.
Your business is not okay. Your business is not okay, yet you sent your friend money. Why are you being so wicked to me?
You know what? I can't do this right now.
You can't do what? Fred! Fred, I'm talking to you! Fred! I'm talking to you, Fred. I am talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Can we stop this? Can you at least accord me a little bit of respect?
Respect? You want respect? Fred, today is my freaking birthday. No photo shoot, no gift, nothing. And you want respect in this house? Never.
Did I not buy you a car last year?
That was last year. Give me. You're not going anywhere. You want respect?
Nina? What's the problem?
nothing, I'm fine.
But you don't look fine. Like, you weren't even paying attention. I was telling you something.
Someone called me a bastard. Girls in this school are not really nice.
Sorry about that, okay? The thing is, you're not a bastard. But don't let it get to you. If you accept it by letting it get to you, then you are. So please, you shouldn't worry about what this girl says. It's just mere talks.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My mom found out that she was pregnant when my dad had an accident. His people did not accept her because they were not married yet.
So sorry about that.
It's okay.
Now snap out of it, okay? You have to forget about what's happened in the past. Forget about what happened in the past and focus on the future. You don't need to be sad. Look for something to make you happy. That's the way to go, okay? Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I'm from Maurice Logistics, and your wife is our major client. We planned a birthday surprise for her. A surprise birthday, sir.
Okay.
And we'd want you to be part of it.
What time is this party?
5:30, sir.
You know what? Let me quickly get in, freshen up, and then I'll come, okay?
Don't worry,
Okay,
Dad.
sir.
You can go with him. You can freshen up when you come back. I know you just want to stay home because of me. I'll take care of myself.
You promise?
Promise.
No cartoons.
No cartoons. Yes.
Okay.
I'll go with all of these.
Okay.
Bye, Daddy.
No cartoons,
No
okay?
cartoons. I don't promise.
This girl. Let's go.
Hi, baby. Are you fine? You didn't take the juice I kept for you. What happened? Are you fine? My baby. What happened? Talk to me.
Someone called me that same name again.
Again? I'm very sorry, okay? Soon, you and I will leave this country, okay? And I promise you, nobody will ever address you as such. Okay? I promise. Please. Okay? Have your drink.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
can I please get to Dad? Please.
I'll think about it, okay? I promise. Have your juice.
Thank you.
I love you.
I love you, Mom.
Okay. Come here. Love you so much, okay?
Frozen start. Latest. Dad! You're back. Welcome. So how did it go? Dad? But is anything the problem? Dad, what's going on? What's wrong? Please talk to me. What happened out there? Was there any accident on the way? Did you get involved in an accident? Oh, then what happened? Dad, you're not talking. You're just crying. Why are you crying? Wait, is Mom okay? How is my mother? Daddy, tell me what is going on. Is there anything going on? Why are you crying? Talk to me. What happened out there? talk to me. What exactly happened? Did you get into an accident or something? What happened?
Where are you coming from?
Well, I went to have fun. Since you refused to make my birthday spicy, I want to help myself.
Do not lie to me. Where are you coming from?
Very sure you're not deaf.
What were you doing in a hotel?
I don't understand.
So you have been keeping up with your ex?
I don't know what you're talking about. What is wrong in going out to have fun on my birthday? What is wrong with having fun in a hotel?
On a bed? With a man? Your ex?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is this or is this not you on the bed with a man?
Wow. Just wow. So you're stalking me now?
This is what you have to say?
You know what? I can't. I can't do this.
Maya!
Please.
Maya, I'm talking to you!
Maya! Maya, open this door, we need to talk. Maya!
Hello, Jason, I'm in soup. My husband saw some pictures of us in bed. Why didn't you lock the door?
Babe, please let's not allow this to break us, okay? Whatever happened yesterday is in the past. Let's go have some breakfast.
Wow. Just wow. So you're looking for who to kill, right? Just last night you were ranting about how you caught me in bed with a man in a hotel, and now you serve me breakfast? You think I'm stupid? Huh?
Babe, like I said, that's in the past. No one needs to know.
And if they know, what will happen? No, tell me. I'll simply move on with my life, and that's about that.
Babe, can't you at least have a little bit of remorse?
And what would that change? Nothing.
Babe.
Don't you dare touch me. Come on. Come on.
Go in and apologize to him, please. Mom, go in there and apologize to my dad.
Excuse you? Are you ordering me?
I'm not ordering you, but you did something very wrong. Go in and apologize to him for slapping him in my presence. I mean, you can fight with him anywhere, but not in my presence.
Well,
Look, allow her to go to work.
Tastes good, huh?
You like it? I am getting better.
You're a big chef, huh?
Well, by the grace of God, very soon I'll be cooking professionally. Welcome home.
Yeah, this is for you. It's in your best interest to treat it as urgent.
Dad, what's that? Now, what is it? What is that? Oh, God. What is this? Do you really want to go with another man? Okay, tell me, what will happen to me when you're gone?
That's a very selfish question to ask, and you know it. Why does it always have to be about you and your father? Huh? Anyways, your dad wanted this marriage to end, so I'm only doing him a favor.
Mom, you haven't answered my question. What will happen to me when you're gone?
You stay with your father.
Mom, please. Please don't go. Please don't do this. Don't break this family, please. What exactly is going on? Daddy, come on.
Michael.
Sorry. You got me worried. Where have you been?
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
You're drunk. Dad. You can find solace in any other thing but drinks. Don't get drunk. Remember what the doctor said about your family? The history they had with heart disease.
Sorry. It's never going to happen again. Did your mother come around?
I haven't really seen her since. Don't worry, I made you something to eat. Okay?
Okay.
So you have to just try and freshen up. Come downstairs and eat. I'll guide you upstairs, okay?
Yeah.
I'll lead you. Let's go. Easy. 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 Oh no, God. I'm sorry. Sorry. Dog, this way. No, this way. This way to the stairs. Sorry. No, this way.
Thank you very much.
It was nice having you.
You're welcome.
Michael, thank you for the food. It was amazing. Trust me.
You're welcome.
Are you going to be here next week?
Well, I'm going to see what I can do. Hope that should be possible, okay?
Okay.
Is there anything you want to tell me?
No. Why?
Because you look troubled.
Trouble? Who can be troubled after this amazing meal I just had?
So, when are we seeing you again?
I feel like, wow, it's a setup. Like I told her, next week I'm going to find time to be here.
Okay.
Latest next week I'm going to be here.
Okay, that's fine.
How's that?
Okay.
Let's cheers.
Hello? Are you home already? Okay. Okay, it was nice having you. Okay, that's fine. I can't wait to see you next week. Okay, bye. Stay safe.
So, Mommy, is he going to get married to you?
We've not talked about it yet.
Well, if he asks you to marry him, please say yes.
I'll think about it first.
Why?
Because he's a single dad.
Oh.
You're a naughty girl. What do you know about marriage? You're naughty. I love you, baby.
I love you, Mommy. Ma'am, please can you give me pure water and the balance? Why are you not eating your cheese, boss?
I will see later. I just need to go somewhere else.
Okay. That reminds me. Can you come to my house this weekend? My mom is celebrating her birthday and my stepdad to be will be there.
Wow, seriously?
Yeah?
That would be awesome. You know, I would have loved to come, but I don't think my dad will let me.
Why?
I don't know. I really don't know what's happening in my house, and my parents are just so biased that
It's okay. Yeah. Don't worry, just chill.
Okay. Ma, please. God's hand of yours.
The water and our change.
Oh, God, I'm tired of standing.
Sorry.
Sorry. Why did you even bring it?
I know.
Okay.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Thank you. Dad? Daddy? How are you?
I'm doing fine, my name. How are you?
I'm fine. Just that I want to tell you something.
Okay.
I really don't know how you see it, but my best friend, yes, she invited me over to her house for lunch. Please, can I go?
Wait. You have a best friend that I don't know about?
The thing is, she just came this term and I've not really had enough time to discuss what has been happening in my life with you.
Baby girl.
Yes, Daddy?
Do you want to go stay with your mom?
No, oh no. I would never do that to you. That's not even what we're talking about.
Then in that case, tell your friend to come have dinner with us instead.
Welcome. Here. You came at the right time.
Thank you.
You don't look happy. Are you alright?
You know, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Anyway, my mom can't wait to see you.
Are you enjoying the food?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, mommy
And baby.
she's my friend Tonya. Tonya, here's my beautiful mom.
Thank you so much, Mom.
So, this is Uncle Fred. Uncle Fred, she's Tonya, one of the most smartest person I've ever seen. And he's the one that always makes my mommy happy. Tonya, wait! Tonya!
What's the problem? Do you two know each other?
That man in there shouldn't have anything to do with your mother.
Why?
Because he shouldn't.
I don't understand. What do you mean by shouldn't? Do you know him?
Maybe I know him.
Maybe it's an answer. Do you know him?
You really want to know, right? Well, action is a better explanation. See for yourself. Dad, are you proud of yourself?
Is she your daughter?
Yes.
Dad, this isn't the life you promised me. You're just trying to make my life miserable.
Look, Tonya, can we go outside and talk?
Talk about what? We both know that the only thing you will say to me when we get there is calm down.
Don't blame me. It's your mother's fault.
Dad! If you and Mom knew you weren't ready for me, why did you bring me into this world? Now look at me. I've suddenly become an adult overnight because my both parents decided to get drunk. Pride and selfishness.
Maybe I can fix this. I can fix this if your mom decides to cut down on her ego.
No. You would have fixed it a long time ago if you didn't have your eyes on another woman.
Your mother cheated on me.
Dad! So this is your payback. This is your payback. Cheating. Dad, where is your integrity? Where did you drop your self-worth? What happened to you, Dad? You know, I used to know you. But at this point, I don't know who you are.
Tonya! 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 What's the meaning of that drama in there?
You call that drama?
You just ruined my mom's birthday.
You're so unbelievable right now. So you're trying to say that your mom's birthday is more important than my happiness? It's more important than my sanity, than my life?
You shouldn't have been here. Just...
Where is your conscience? Nina, I thought you were my friend. Like... At least you have a mom. You have a mom that you're trying to impress. You have a mom that you can lean to. I don't have one. I don't. Everything just slipped away from me. My mom, my dad, my health, my everything. I have nothing. I don't even have grandmas or uncles to call. Nobody.
Just stop. Don't stop with this emotional blackmail. Just get out of my house. Just leave. Just get out of my house.
I don't wish you have a taste of my pain. My prayer for you is, may you never have a cloud of pain around you.
Just...
Nina, I'm running out of breath. Nina, I need someone to help me breathe. Nina, I'm running out of breath. Can't you hear me?
Since you can't find it, just go home. Get out. Please leave.
I will leave. And you know what? I pray that you will never run out of breath when you need it the most.
Amen. So, leave my house.
I'm sorry.
Fred, you never told me you have a wife.
I did.
You only told me you were a single dad, Fred.
I am a single dad.
Stop lying!
No, look, I am not lying.
Stop lying to me.
I am not lying. She left us. She left me.
Now you listen to me. I do not want to ever see you again in this house.
Please don't
now,
do this to me.
Get out.
Please don't.
Get out!
Please don't do this to us. Please.
Thank you. Thank you so much for playing with my emotions.
Look, you are the only
Get out.
source of my happiness.
Get out!
Look, don't do this to me.
Get out! Just get out.
Please don't do this.
Out.
Don't do this.
Get out.
Why are you treating me like this?
Now listen. If I go inside and I come out and you're still here, you will have yourself to blame.
Who is it?
Baby, look, he doesn't deserve our love. Okay? He doesn't.
Please don't send Okun away. Please, I like him. He's a good person. Please, mommy, don't.
Oh. Come.
I'm not going anywhere with you.
Okay, look, baby girl, look, I am
You're
sorry.
sorry? You will fix it? Of course, that's what you always say. But you end up fixing nothing but your selfish goals. Leave me alone.
Okay.
I will walk. And don't try to come after me. If you do anything, I will raise a false alarm.
Tanya, please, Tanya.
It's better to remain single than to get myself entangled in such a mess. Entangled in this kind of a mess.
I'm never going to have it there.
You must be very selfish for you not to understand how your friend feels. You owe her an apology.
I'm not happy, mommy.
Come back here. Are you walking out of me? Come back. Come back.
I'm sorry, mommy. I just want the best for you.
Look, baby, I am happy with you. Okay? All I need you to do, you will have to go and apologize to Tonya for pushing her out of the house. Please. Okay? Understood? Okay?
Yes,
Come here.
mommy.
I love you, okay?
have it.
No. No. This weekend. Okay?
Yeah.
Don't be a good boy. Really? I can't wait. I love gifts.
Sometime next week, that's this new place.
Okay.
Next week. Take you there. You have everything you want. Whatever you want.
Yeah.
There's somewhere out here.
Yeah, babe. Can we go?
No, we can't go. I thought I told you I'm expecting a client of mine.
Yeah, we can go somewhere else and wait.
No. Just got off phone from me, so it's closed.
Excuse me, sir, please, can I talk to you?
What?
Is it that you don't have any atom of shame at all?
Excuse me?
You're quite excused, sir. It's just that... This is my mother. Yes, she's my mother. Now, how do you feel knowing fully well that you shattered a peaceful and happy home?
Would you get out of this place?
Mom, I'm not here for you. Just enjoy your shamelessness. Mom, don't touch me. I mean, you did something bad. You did something bad. You showed no remorse and my father didn't do anything about it and you're here. You know what, just stay out of this. Let me talk this out with your shameless boyfriend.
Hey.
No.
Hey.
No, it's fine. I'll handle it. Tonya, get out.
Mom,
I said, no, get out of here. What is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you? Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with you?
Mom, I told you I am not here for you. So just leave me.
You can stand here. Now you listen to me. If you go back in there, I will lose my mind. I've got every ties I have with your father. Why can't you accord me some respect?
Respect? So you have the guts to still say that word. Do you even know what that word means? Do you?
I will not let you ruin this date for me.
Excuse me. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Sir, you left another man in disarray because of pleasure. You destroyed a beautiful home because of pleasure. You know deep down that this is lost.
Baby, you better take this mad girl out of this place before I lose it.
You will be served in the same cup. That's my earnest prayer for you.
Enough!
Leave me alone. And exactly, enough!
Now I see why you don't want to get your things out from the house. You still have them in your heart, right?
What are you even saying? If I do, I won't be here with you.
Prove me wrong, baby. Go get your things out from the house.
The next time you do that again, I'll show you the other side of me.
There will be no next time. We all need rest.
Please, we need you. We can still fix this.
Fix what? For your information, this marriage is over. It has been over a long time ago. Call to finalize our divorce tomorrow.
Babe, how can you say this? We have a daughter together. A daughter who's dying by the day just because of this. Please don't do this to her. How do you even sleep at night?
How dare you ask me that question? You don't have the right to ask me that question, you hear me?
Okay, babe, no. I need you. We need you.
Wait. Oh, you suddenly need a cheating woman, huh? You're very useless, man. You're useless.
Look, you can call me anything, but I am not useless.
What are you going to do about it? I said you're a useless man.
I am not
You
useless.
are a useless and stupid man. Oh, what? You want to beat me? Wait, you want to beat me? Oh, yeah, beat me. Beat me! You're a useless man. You can't do anything. Beat me. Rubbish. You're a useless and stupid man.
You want to go, right? Go away.
Of course I will.
Yes, go. Leave.
Of course I will.
Leave.
Uselessness. Stand there and stare at me like a moron. What is going on here? Would you come and open this gate? I need to leave.
Did you just see me driving? Did I touch the gate?
What is going on here? Open this gate now! Hey, you want to kidnap me? Fred, you want to kidnap me? You know this is a criminal offense, right?
I didn't touch the gate.
What do you mean you didn't touch the gate? Open this gate now, I'll call the police. Fred! Okay, I said open this gate. I'm going to call the police on you. Don't try me, Fred. Don't try me. Just hold on. Abduction. You're joking with abduction.
I instructed someone to lock the gate.
What? She wants to connive with your father to lock me in here?
Look into my eyes and tell me that you enjoy this pain I'm going through. I'm losing it.
Well, you took sides with your father, so I'm leaving this house for both of you.
Mom.
Don't you dare touch me! No, you listen to me. Go and tell whoever you instructed to lock this gate to open it now. I'll raise a false alarm.
You raise a false alarm. Good. I'd love to hear it from inside.
Look, you see what you're putting her? Don't worry, just relax. You see what will happen right now. Yes, I am being held hostage in my own house. Yes, they locked the gate, father and daughter. I'm telling you.
Tonya! Tonya, open this door!
Oh, God.
Tonya! Tonya, don't do this. Tonya! Tonya, open this door now.
Oh, my God.
I'll call the police. Everybody, army, everybody. You're married to me, but you don't even know me. Rubbish.
Tonya!
Hello?
Tonya!
Baby,
She's still not picking the call.
really? Okay, maybe you can call her later in the night. Or better still, you can just drop a message. Okay?
I'm so sad about what happened.
It's okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
Are you very much?
Yeah. I want to return this gift to Fred. I'm not cool with it.
Please, can I call this? I just want to sit on here.
No, baby. I don't even know where he lives, so I will just go and drop it at his office. Okay? I'll see you soon, okay? Please be fine for me. Oh, God. I'll be back shortly. I'll see you. Okay, baby.
Let's put all this behind us. Let's not allow this to break us, okay? I'm happy that you are giving us another chance. I hope we're cool now.
Tonya! Sonia, open up. Sonia, it's okay. Everything is fine. Your mom and I are fine now.
I didn't tell you that.
Please pick your call.
Has she picked up?
No, mommy.
Could be the problem.
I think she's still angry with me.
You know what? Well, let me call her with my phone. Let me have her number. Just relax yourself, okay?
Has she picked up? Oh my God. I'm really worried. This is all like her.
She's not okay. But let me call her again.
Pray she's okay. God, she's okay. Has she picked?
So, you know what? Let's go inside and sleep, okay? Tomorrow we'll continue to call her. Come, let's go. So, okay.
I'm going to sleep at the security door.
God, who they offend? Who?
Tonya! Tonya! Oh my God. Maya! 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 Tonya, please, please, please. Baby girl, please don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I have only you in this world. Please, please, please. Maya! Maya! Oh my God. Please, please. Maya! Maya! Tonya, please, please wake up. Please. God, no! God, no! Oh my God! Maya! 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 Oh God! Toya! No! No! Maya! Maya!
Baby. Did you sleep outside?
I slept for security post.
You know what? You need to report this to the police, like now. Please get into your car, let's go. Okay.
Doctor, how is she?
Mr. Fred, you knew about her condition. Why did it take you so long to bring her for her checkup?
Doctor, sorry, we were distracted.
Distracted? To the point that you didn't realize when she collapsed? Her condition is in good hands right now.
Doctor,
Please pray.
Doctor, please, do whatever you can. If I lose my daughter, I'm finished. Please. Please.
Just pray. Alright? Now we'll try our best. You know what? See me in my office.
Are you happy now? Are you?
Where is she? Where is she?
Go in and eat her dead body. Okay? Go! That's what you wanted, right? Go!
Tonya, please wake up with me. Your mother, doctor. Tonya, please, I will never leave you again. I'm back. Tonya, baby, my love, look at me. Doctor.
Maya, why did you do this to this innocent child?
Help me, please do something. Press something, please. I'm sure you can do something, Tonya. Tonya, please. Wait, doctor, if I talk to her, she will listen to me. She's my child. She's my child. Tonya, it's fine. I'm here now. I'm not going anywhere. I will never leave you again. Please wake up. She's my baby.
I know. Just go. Okay. Mommy. Why are you crying?
Nina, you need to get hold of yourself, please.
I don't understand what's going on.
Tonya.
What happened to Tonya?
Tonya is no more.
How? What do you mean?
Tonya is dead.
No.
He's dead. Nina, not now, please stop, Nina, stop it. Nina,
Mommy, Tonya.
Nina,
I can't. Mommy, Tonya. Mommy, what happened to her? Mommy, Tonya. Mommy, Tonya. There's no more. There's no more.
Nina is gone. Tonya is gone. Tonya is gone.
What is angina?
It's a heart disease.
A heart disease? Will I die?
No. Don't say that. Far from it. It's just like any other infection. When treated rightly with the right medication, you are going to be good as new, okay?
Dad, please don't leave me.
Come on. Don't say something like that. I'm your father. I will never leave you. I'll always be here for you, okay?
Dad, I lose my breath every day. I lose my breath every day with the thought of what's going on between you and Mom. I'm going through a lot here. Dad, please, if you love me, don't let me die of heartbreak.
Hey. Don't talk like that. Besides, you're too young to talk about heartbreaks.
You don't understand. You don't understand. My heart aches me. I'm running out of breath.
Look, I've forgiven your mom. But it's hard for her to forgive. I begged her to withdraw the divorce, and she said no.
But you still love her.
I have no words to express my guilt. It tastes so bitter in my mouth. I'm sorry.
Dad said you want to divorce.
Interesting. Is that the way you greet now?
I'm sorry, Mom. Welcome. But please, I'm begging you. If what I heard is true, just hold the divorce process, please.
Well, I'm sorry, I can't do that. I just suddenly realized I don't love your father anymore.
Why? Why are you letting the devil do this to us? Please.
Well, wrong lady. Even the devil will not make me change my mind.
I should have listened to you. I should have listened to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.